Are you looking for the best electric chainsaws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric chainsaws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, DeWalt DCCS 620P 120 volts Max Compact Cordless Chainsaw Kit with Brushless Motor. This 12-inch electric chainsaw contains a small kickback. This makes it safer for its operator. Also, the motor is of high efficiency and brushless. It is good since it runs well and usually continues working for a long period of time. This chain does not require tightening tools. However, it has a tightening knob that is used to tighten the bar. It has a speed of around 25.2 featuring for every second. It has a battery of 120 volts and can be utilized to cut more than 100 items. The amazing thing with this item is that it has over 77 service centers in the world and comes with an abundant warranty. E.g., there is a 3 years warranty and 1 year of free service. At number 4, BLACK+DECKER CS 1518 18-inch corded chainsaw 15 amp. This black corded chainsaw puts out a power of 15 amps and is 18 inches. This chain can be tightened without using tools. This chainsaw is perfect for somebody who wants to adjust it very fast. It has oil system that is automatic, hence you just require refilling it. It has a small clear window which lets you view oil level that is left. A great specification of this item is that it contains a chain brake that increases your safety during utilization. Lastly, it has 2 years of limited warranty. At number 3, Oregon Self-Sharpening 570,995 CS 1500 electric chainsaw. This chainsaw has a self-sharpening system and also has a motor of 15 amp which starts in less time and providing dependable power. It additionally is a tool-less tensioning chain system which permits you an easy and quick chain replacements and adjustments. Also, the chainsaw contains an ergonomic design and is lightweight, giving low vibration, balance and low kickback. This allows comfortable handling. It is an integrated chain brake that guarantees safe usage at all times. At number 2, BLACK+DECKER 20 volts Max LCS 1020 Lithium 10 ion chainsaw. The chainsaw contains a 10 inches blade that is powered a battery of 20 V. You do not require a tool for adjusting your chain since it's manufactured that adjustment can be made by hand. Its handle wraps are around, hence it is simple to grip it perfectly at various angles. One of the best features of this battery is that it could be utilized with other different BLACK+DECKER gears. The chainsaw is lightweight and it only 10 pounds of weight. This indicates that it is simple to utilize it for a long time without being tired. At number 1, WORX WG 303.1 electric chainsaw 16-inch with auto tension, 14.5 amp, automatic oiling and chain brake. Whenever you are searching for the best electric chainsaws, WG 303.1 electric chainsaw is one of best models. Because it built by WORX brand, you know that it has a high quality parts. It is powered by a 14.5 amps motor. It is one of the strongest and durable chainsaws you can see on the market. Another advantage of purchasing this item is that you do not need tools to tighten or install the chain, and it usually automatically greases the chain. It has a low kickback bar and safety chain stop. It is one of the harmless chainsaws that you can purchase. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.